Welcome back. Let's get started. Sharp breath, determined exhale. Steady breath. Faint. Huff. Beep, beep.
Chirps and hums from Antenna Cax DE.
Sharp breaths and grunts.
Nova adjusts her scarf and focuses on the race.
Zephyr activates her turbo boost, matching Nova's maneuver.
Nova's caravan pushes ahead, the wind guiding their path.
Chirps, frustrated worry.
The caravans press on, their journey far from over.
The race begins in the heart of the Golden Dunes.
The rival caravan emerges, slicing through the dunes. The caravans reach the edge of danger, assessing their next moves.
Determined grunts, faint clicks.
Grunts and sharp breaths.
Okay. Beep, beep. The caravans disappear into the dunes, promising future adventures.
The golden dunes stretch endlessly, a stage for the daring.
The race intensifies as the dunes shift beneath them.
The race through the dunes grows more intense as the light fades.
Chirp! Whoosh! Chirp, chirp!
Pico adjusts the system with mechanical precision.
Chirp, chirp! What grunts and hums of determination!
We will take the southern route to regain the lead.
Hums and quiet chirps.
Grunts and sharp exhales.
Sharp exhales. Grunts.
The winds calm as the teams regroup. The race reignites with newfound determination.
The sun sets as the caravans continue their race, silhouetted against the glowing dunes.
That's all for today. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Huff, click.
The race grows more intense as the ravine approaches.